Hey, fellow adventurers. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the breathtaking natural beauty of Sanibel Island. Picture this: miles of pristine beaches kissed by the gentle waves, lush mangrove forests teeming with wildlife, and stunning seashells adorning the shore like treasures waiting to be discovered. Whether you're strolling along the shoreline, birdwatching in the wetlands, or biking through the scenic trails, every moment on Sanibel Island feels like a serene escape into paradise. So, have you ever visited Sanibel Island? What's your favorite way to connect with nature? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue celebrating the wonders of the natural world together.